Rain Bird Rotary Nozzles. This one with the blue tip is 45 degrees to 270 degrees adjustable. All you do is push down and turn, and that adjusts the distance or how much of a circle it sprays, and then push down and you could get it, you could set it to whatever you like, so it waters just your grass and not your sidewalk. To adjust the distance of the spray, on the side right here there's a little knob. You just turn that knob while it's going like this. Can't really see it, but that adjusts how far the spray actually goes. That's your new spray nozzle compared to your old spray nozzle. I was able to switch out orbits and Rain Bird nozzles. You can see here is, you just take your old nozzle off and that's it. I hope you guys like these things just as much as I do. There will be a link in the description below to purchase these, and if you do use them, let me know what you used them on and how they benefited you, or if you didn't like anything about them or just something wasn't satisfactory. But really versatile. Change them out on yours. Let me know what you did. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies.